How to use phrase searching. Sometimes when you perform a search, you'll retrieve lots of irrelevant material. This might be because the words you're using have multiple or broader meanings. You can often get around this by applying phrase searching. When two or more words commonly appear next to each other, enclose them in double quotation marks. This will ensure that the results refer to the specific concept in which you are interested. This will filter out results that refer to the words individually somewhere in the article. Examples include Manuka honey or wound care. This is a helpful advanced search technique that can be used in many databases and search engines, including Google, to make your search more specific. Here is what phrase searching looks like in EBSCO. Remember to untick the Suggest Subject Terms box if you are searching CINAHL or Medline. Then click on Search. Thank you for watching.